Election Commission of India (ECI) na piba chanakanglon ngaktaba lebak asida leiba register unrecognized political party chahum kuntra mari commission ki political party list ke maming Louthokhre. ECI ge Assistant Director Apurva Kumar Singh na ngarang thokiba cherolamada Representation of the People Act 1951 gi section kunmapan A da yauriba provisions singi matung inna national, state amasung register unrecognized political party sing ECI da register tawi hauzik forward national political party taruk state political party humfutaret amasung register unrecognized political party lisingani ka chanipan yangkhai mari lei adubu ECI gi chana kanglon gi matung inna karigumba political party amana thangna chahi taruk election thengna drabadi register party ki list ki maming Louthokhre haina piri masi ki mathakta Representation of the People Act 1951 gi section 29A gi matung inna political party mana register tauba matamda ming leifam amasong office bearer singi ming pisin gadabani amadi karigumba ahong balai rabusu thintaba tawdana commission da khanghan gadabani haina yauri hairi basana kanglon sing asingak na chatlibra haina yeng sinaba state amasung UT singi CEO singda haukiba kumja English ngani kun manga gi January thada khanghanki CEO singnen query chat thabaga loinana register and recognized political party singda so cause notice piduna hearing chathabada saruk yana ba khanghanki adubu CEO singi report matung inna register and recognized political party chahungani fu manga gi manungda chahunga kuntra marina commission gi chatna kanglon ngaklam daba thengnaki aduga lemhauriba party sing adugina amuk hanna yengshinaba CEO da thakhe CEO Singh recommendation Singh yenglaba matung ECI na register and recognized political party chahunga kuntra mari list gi Louthokhre hauzik register and recognized political party listing ani ge chamanga kun leiri ECI gi leiri political party ki list gi party khara Louthokhpa gi khongthang ase electoral system hena fagat hanabani haide cherol asina makha tarduna list gi Louthokhre political party sing ase Representation of the People Act 1951 gi section 29B amasung section 29C Income Tax Act 1961 amasung election symbols reservation and allotment Order 1968 te yauriba provisions singi matung inna fangvom thokpa kanaba sing fanglaroi loinana commission ge khongthang asida yaning daba party singna cherol thokliba asidagi paraga numit kuntrani gi manungda commission da wakat pa yagani haide hauzik leibak asida leiriba register tawraba national political party singdi Aam Aadmi Party Bahujan Samaj Party Bharatiya Janata Party Communist Party of India Marxist Indian National Congress amasung National People's Party ni